Are you at risk of losing your home to foreclosure? Has the bank threatened you with a foreclosure lawsuit? Are they making promises you don't believe will ever come true? Have you had sleepless nights and don't know what you will do if the sheriff sells your house at a foreclosure auction? There is hope. Even if your mortgage company has previously denied you for a loan modification, there might still be an opportunity to get a deal done that lets you stay in your home. Your nosy neighbors won't wonder why you moved out in the middle of the night. Introducing the law firm of Doucette Law. Nationally recognized foreclosure attorney Troy Doucette has spent his career fighting banks and mortgage companies. Doucette Law has helped hundreds of clients save their home from foreclosure. We are BBB accredited and have an A+ rating. We are known for our work defending foreclosure and even developed a self-help foreclosure course for homeowners across the country. We want to help you too. Here are some of the things our clients have said. Troy knows how to deal with mortgage companies, and he saved us from utter disaster and helped us actually take the offensive in our foreclosure case. He is the best. My wife and I were on the verge of losing our home due to our mortgage company not wavering from lowering our mortgage rate. We tried various resources and services, and nothing seemed to work until I found Mr. Doucette on a web search. They were able to lower our interest rate from 12.5% to 5% and made life much more enjoyable. Mr. Doucette worked wonders in my case. He stood up for me when I felt overwhelmed and helpless, and kept my credit rating and future intact. Thank you so much for helping me and my family. Doucette Law fights for all our clients. We go the distance and have even established legal precedent in won significant cases, including multiple wins in federal court. If you want to save your home from foreclosure, then you are in the right place. Doucette Law regularly gets referrals from other lawyers, and we represent clients big and small across the state. Many of our clients have unsuccessfully tried to get deals done on their own and thought all hope was lost until we got involved. Our clients have gotten loan modifications, damages, fees, costs, and other benefits including credit correction. We've even won free houses, plus cash for a few lucky clients. If you are facing foreclosure, don't wait another moment. The bank isn't going to wait for you, and you shouldn't wait for the bank. Contact us right now to find a little more peace of mind. That is why we are the Peace of Mind Lawyers.